Hey there, Acorn here. So you may be seeing this random wheel. What what is this and why does it exist? Well, we are going to be spinning it. We are going to be checking whatever we spun on, and for what we're going to do with that, we are going to go onto a secondary wheel where we are going to pick a beta to install. Now, I have picked these from the beta wiki, so it includes every single thing they have listed here. So, all the way from Windows 1.0 to Windows Server 2025. Now, for those, I have excluded the last three because they're kind of the current versions, and I don't want to outdate this video. And also, I just don't want to deal with current stuff. And because of that, yeah, I'm going to be pulling the wheel from all the way from Windows 1.0 to, again, Windows 11 2023 update. Now, quick question. Am I actually up to date? Hold on. 23H2. Yeah, I'm up. I was just checking. Anyways, let's shuffle a couple of times. Let's hide. And now let's spin the wheel. Okay, then. Interesting for our first pick, but a guaranteed nice one. So, this is the wheel for the 2018 update. Obviously, we have 36 entries, and we have, well, a wheel for those entries. Now, we have the April 2018 page on BetaWiki so that we can actually quickly just go on here and do whatever we need to do. Again, I will shuffle one, and that should be shuffled enough, and we will spin it. And the results are... I do not even know what the hell that is, but okay. Whatever. So, this is our version number we have been chosen. So, we are going to click remove and click save so that we can, when we come back to this will become a important thing to teach. Alright, so this is our beta build. We are going to be installing for our first episode. Not sure if this is good, but hey, at least it's something. Okay, I officially made the VM and I have BetaWiki pulled up on my tablet. So we should just hit play virtual machine and, well, yep. Nope. So I have two things disabled for right now. I have the CD and the network adapter disabled. This is so that I don't get updates immediately and, well, that. So that out of the way, let's Control-Alt-Del and let's try and boot into... Wait, hold on. Okay, we are in. So it officially states that the build's time bomb is 2018, July 2nd, I believe. So what we need to do is put it to 28... March 13th, 2018. Hopefully... Actually, hold on. So I just checked... So I have just checked. Time sync is officially turned off, which means we are officially safe to go into the upgrade or the installation. What upgrade? There's no operating system we're upgrading from. This is a completely blank system. Also, I gotta change this, so I might as well just... Okay, made a little oopsie whoopsie with the little... date. I had the wrong build, but that shouldn't be an issue. But now, I am going to... The fuck? Why are you not connecting? Hold on. Or does it need to be connected at power on? I'm not sure. But you know what? Fuck it. Let's enter. Hit yes. Hopefully it connects during, you know, when it needs to. Oh, there it is. And there is the Windows logo. So we are going to hit full screen. Hi. Huh, that's weird. I'm not sure if that's default for like all Windows builds, but or something, but I'm pretty sure that's not normal for a background to be there. But let's click next and let's click install now. It has 2017. Hopefully that isn't something... Oh! Just turned purple. Yay. Yeah, yay. Holy crap! It's this screen! Oh wait, hold on. Yes, I accept. Click next. Custom. And next. Shit. That's a pretty fast install, but hey. Also pretty soon I'm gonna have to change. Jesus Christ, this install is going fast. I'm pretty sure I can, like, I don't know, but just to be safe. Oh crap, we're restarting. Yes. Oh, so wait, hold on. That was my tablet shutting down. Or just doing whatever, but... Holy fuck. We are installing a beta build of Windows 10 April 2018. I am so hyped right now for our first week. The thin Windows icon. I know this. You guys just...
Hi there. I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan
Holy
to do.
fuck. They
Use your
cooked
voice or
with
the
this
keyboard along the
OOBE,
way,
I am
and
not
if you'd
going to
like me
lie.
to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
You know what? No, I'm not.
If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows,
I don't care
Control,
what people
and
say.
Enter
I like
keys at the
Cortana.
same time to turn on narrator.
Oh, fucking...
Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Yes. Holy fuck, that animation they cooked with that. Holy fuck. I do not care what people say.
Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
Yep.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Sure.
Do you also type with another keyboard?
No. Oh, fuck. Skip.
Type what you want to name your account.
Let's go by our usual name.
Okay, now type a password.
They just let us say no. And that's...
Hey, look, that's me, Cortana. Can I have permission
Oh, that's cute!
to do my best work?
How about no? I'm sorry.
These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review.
Hold on, let me just... Alright. And that's it, I think.
Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours.
Okay!
Look forward to helping out.
Alright. Hi. We're getting things ready for you. Aw, that's adorable. Now with the OS installed, let's check some fun stuff. But first, we gotta do one thing. Nothing bad so far. I'm actually able to connect to the internet. Because of that, that's a rare sight, you know, you probably don't want to see. Neither that. So we're going to go to www. That's probably not a good thing. It's not recommended. Should we upgrade? Oh, wait, hold on. Right there. Right where my finger is. Right there. That's the build. So if you're wondering, hey, this guy's faking it. He just changed. No. Well, it was a fun time, boys. They don't crash you. They don't crash you, but still. That's pretty good. You know what? Let's fucking go to let's have a fun time. I'm not sure if Windows fucking crashes you, but alright. Let's start. Okay then. Don't connect a beta operating system to the internet. Probably one of the worst decisions of my life. You know what? Hold on. Disconnect. Paint 3D. Holy shit, hold on. Y'all? Or wait. Magic still. Wait, hold on. I did it! I actually did it. Or... yeah! Look at that! It's a 3D ball in a virtual machine. I do not know why, but I thought that was impossible. But hey! Paint 3D nostalgia. Not sure if that's actually even nostalgia to begin with, but who cares? That's not from Windows. Oh crap. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're just downloading the latest stuff from the Microsoft Store. Or Skype. The fuck? What? The current game type is either too easy or too hard. What? What? Oh. Alright. Shut up. That's gotta be one of the disgusting things I've ever seen from, you know. Shit, but hey. Let's play some solitaire. For those who get the reference. Yes. Yes. Insert sound effects from a thing you might know. I did it. I did it. I beat Solitaire from fucking... That's a pretty weird statement to say. This is a pretty statement to say. I beat Solitaire on a beta version of Windows 10 April 2018 update. Offline. And yeah, it's pretty different from like the one we have today. But yeah, that's pretty much it. One final shutdown before I erase these things from the heavens. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace.